Hey guys, it's a special LCX Insights episode due to the recent news. One of the largest projects has undergone a significant change, leaving people wondering, what's next for centralized exchanges? Binance, the world's largest crypto exchange, was criminally charged with breaking sanctions and money transmitting laws, and agreed to pay $4.3 billion to settle the allegations in one of the largest penalties the US has ever obtained from corporate defendant. Founder of Binance, also known as CZ, pled guilty in Seattle to charges he personally faced and agreed to pay a $50 million fine, as well as step down from the CEO job. Richard Tang, a former Abu Dhabi regulator and later Binance regional markets head, will take over as CEO. Binance was accused of failing to maintain a proper anti-money laundering program, operating an unlicensed money transmitting business, and violating sanctions law. Zhao pled guilty to violating the Bank Secrecy Act and causing a financial institution to violate the BSA, according to another filing. Binance employees knew and discussed that company was serving thousands of users in sanctioned countries, and they knew that facilitating transactions between US users and users in sanctioned countries will be in violation of US law. And if we're talking about Binance, LCX, and regulation, I wanted to remind everyone that LCX and Binance were partners long time ago. So in 2019, LCX partnered with Binance because Binance was strong in terms of liquidity and user base. However, LCX quickly realized that Binance could never be compliant and never even wants to be compliant. LCX stopped the partnership and distanced itself from Binance. Eventually, Binance was kicked out of Liechtenstein by the regulators, but LCX kept going and focused on the vision to build a compliant cryptocurrency exchange with crypto integrity as the core. We even can check the article from the year 2021 on Reuters titled "Crypto Giant Binance Kept Weak Money Laundering Checks Even as It Promised Tougher Compliance," documents show. And Zhao's project in Liechtenstein also was breaking down in October 2019, and CZ's, Zhao's business partner in the tiny country, Monty Metzger, aka the founder and CEO of LCX, sent a resignation letter to the board of their joint venture called Binance LCX, accusing Zhao of failing to fulfill any obligations or regulatory requirements. Metzger wrote that Zhao made material misstatements to local officials and exhibited unusual and erratic behavior. And this kind of conduct is not befitting a CEO, wrote Metzger. And this article from 2021 is just another reminder that LCX always focuses on crypto integrity. Our next big news comes from another exchange. This time it's Bittrex. Bittrex crypto exchange is officially shutting down. All trading activity on Bittrex Global will be suspended on December 4th this year. Thus, users are urged to ensure that they completed all the necessary transactions before this date, as all activity on the platform except withdrawals will be disabled. Regarding the withdrawals, customers of Bittrex Global are not able to directly withdraw USD holdings. Users with a USD balance might need to convert it to euros or crypto to be able to withdraw the associated funds. This action must be taken before December 4th. And the CEO of LCX, Monty Metzger, commented on this situation. For Bittrex, it is sad to see a competitor shut down. Not good for the industry, as Bittrex was a pioneer, but compliance and regulation is costly and takes a lot of effort. Turning around the old pioneer from no KYC to KYC, from not compliant to compliant, is mostly impossible. LCX started with the regulatory and compliance from scratch, with full KYC for all the users since day one. This was hard at start, and often LCX could not grow as fast, but this tough road now pays off. Integrity means doing the right thing when nobody is watching. LCX stands for crypto integrity. With Bittrex closing its door, LCX is now the only and the largest cryptocurrency exchange in Liechtenstein. After all of this major crypto news, lots of crypto users are starting to understand the importance of regulation, proper auditing, and transparency. This is why LCX spends so much money and time focusing on these things. I just wanted to add what LCX CEO and founder had to say in his last tweet, because it was really interesting and speaks loud about all the LCX features and all the work LCX is doing in the background. So first of all, LCX stands for crypto integrity, and with today's news, we see that all of our efforts do pay off. Next, LCX is supervised by Financial Market Authority. Next, LCX gained 9 registrations based on Liechtenstein blockchain laws, more than any other company. And of course, often this meant that the project could not move as quick as others, but LCX is committed to transparency and has published full audit reports conducted by one of the big 4 auditors. LCX facilitates ICOs on behalf of blockchain projects as a registered token sale, as compliant token issuer. LCX tokenizes assets as a physical validator, LCX invested in launching products in a legal manner. For example, LCX Earn is endorsed by regulators as a tokenized bonds denominated in Bitcoin, Ethereum, Euro, and LCX token. And of course, we have amazing LCX community sharing our key company values: integrity, excellence, and unity. And the markets have spoken. In the past 24 hours, LCX has seen big spike in new user signups, new depositors, a jump in social media followers, and got lots of praise. If you're looking for an exchange that cares about regulation and integrity, you can join LCX community and create an account using the link in the description. And of course, guys, don't forget to subscribe. See you on the next episode of LCX Insights.